Just follow mine around with a pillow.
Charlie?
I'll get them.
Okay.
These guys go really slow, right?
I got a P2K in there. It's going to be fast.
Yeah, but what?
Come on, turn me P2K. You're old enough to know about this.
3.5 turn motor. Oh!
I don't know. I'm going to make that jump.
Wait, was there a 3? Oh yeah, there we go.
I can make that double. That's good. What?
Jason Peterson.
Come around fast and right.
I'm waiting for Joe.
There's 3 out there.
I'm coming.
Oh.
I see 3 on each point.
No, it's 4.
I'm on a brush motor, so I'm not taking too many laps.
Where are you?
They're like behind you, like fucking. I almost fucking did it. No. Yeah, everybody was like, hey,
all 30 seconds on go and then go.
30 seconds to Joe.
Yeah,
He's swapping his transponder.
you gotta have your cars ready.
Oh, he only has one transponder.
Oh.
And we're back to back.
Oh,
So-
back to back is fine.
Why don't you do it by hand?
Sorry.
You're good, sir. You're good.
back-to-back sucks.
No,
One
yeah, no,
transponder.
we'll give
You
you
need to
time.
rent
No
all
worries.
transponders
Go ahead
in
and
the
go through the
shop.
line, make sure it registers.
Joe? Yeah.
Go for it, go. Go.
In less than 5. And we're off and racing, folks.
Oh, I made it, Mike.
Yeah!
Let's need a good run and start.
No, just concentrate on driving now.
What? Fine
Two-wheel
driving.
drive vintage stadium truck.
I think your tires are older than most people here.
That would be also for my other class, too.
Sure.
There's double J's.
Second.
That hurts.
Third.
All yours, Charlie.
For now.
Get him, Charlie, get him!
Give me vintage. I think the dirt on this truck, Mike, is older than most people here.
Second. Third. Fourth. Third. Oh, getting caught up on the heat. You ain't get out of it. First. Jason pulls into first place. Charles takes it back. So we got Charles in first place with a 10.533, a 9.5 flat for Jason, still within only 530, and an 8.533 for Joe. With 2 minutes, 45 seconds left in this heat. Second. Third. Fourth. First. Jason still holds first place with a 10.5.25. Charlie with a 10.5.30, 2 seconds behind him. Hill holding the 9.5.23 and 8.5.17 for Joe. First. 1.540. Oh, 29.996. Second. Now it's Jason fast lap. 29.996. Third. Up next is the monster truck.
Yeah, monster truck.
That should be exciting. We're going to hand count that.
Second. Third. First.
30 seconds to the tongue. Jason running a 10.5.26. 10.5.30 for Charlie. 9.5.18 for Bill. And 8.5.21 for Joe. 10 seconds to the tongue.
First.
Here comes the tone. Keep rolling, keep rolling.
Just missed it.
God, I'm still going because I was after.
Point.